we're going to talk about Zahara Illuma Radiant C Serum, Zahara Sunshield Creme, a mineral sun protection, and our antioxidant-rich argan oil with vitamin E that comes exclusively from the source, southern Morocco. But first, I will explain to you what happens to your skin when it is not protected from the sun, especially when it comes to photoaging, because a lot of people think that sun damage is only sunburn, when in reality it can also cause premature skin aging. There are two types of aging. There is chronological natural aging that happens with time, hormonal changes, and then there is photoaging. Photoaging happens when your skin is exposed to the sun for a long period of times without protection. This leads to an overproduction of reactive oxygen species, are unstable molecules that can damage skin's collagen, elastin, and DNA. And so this whole thing weakens your natural skin structure, and it leads to dark spots and wrinkles and loss of firmness. So one thing to remember is that sun damage does not only cause hyperpigmentation, which is a serious skin condition, but it can also make your skin dull and make it lose its vitality. So it's very important to protect your skin this summer. How do we protect our skin from all of this? First, before skincare, you want to protect your skin from the inside. Drink lots of water, lots of fruit. Of course, if you're going to the beach, make sure that you wear a hat, make sure that you have like sunnies, stay in the shade. When it comes to your skincare, you have a simple, effective skincare regimen at home. So for example, Illuma Radiant C Serum is packed with flavonoids. It has fruit extracts like lycopene, which is a bioactive constituent from tomato leaf extract, and this one targets hyperpigmentation. It's so good for people who want to minimize the appearance of dark spots. It also has a wonderful combination of acids that give the skin a gentle chemical exfoliation. It has sweet orange and lemon extract. Two specific ingredients contain what is called polymethoxylated flavones, especially nopalin and tangerine. It inhibits erosionase, which regulates melanin production. So it prevents those reactive oxygen species from being overproduced, and that protects the skin. The result is a broader antioxidant coverage. So this is a serum that can be used morning and night after cleansing. If you use a toner, it's usually cleanser, toner, and serum. Personally, like in the morning, I don't like putting a lot of stuff on my skin. So in the morning, it's usually cleanser, serum, and then sun protection mixed with a little bit of argan oil. When it comes to protecting the skin from UV damage and keeping it nourished and plumped, argan oil is rich in tocopherol, particularly vitamin E, and vitamin E works where citrus extracts usually don't. In the lipid regions of the skin cells, it interrupts the lipid peroxidation chain reaction triggered by UV light. It's very important because most free radical damage occurs in cell membranes. So when it is paired with citrus antioxidants, doing is that you are covering both the aqua and lipid domains. More complete defense. We finished the routine with a physical barrier with our Sunshield Mineral Sun Protection. Aloe vera provides moisture to the skin, and the zinc oxide protects against UVA and UVB. So the sunflower extract, for example, contains linoleic acid, enforces the skin barrier, reduce inflammation. These three products, they don't just block the sun, respond biologically to it, and they help neutralize damage before it becomes visible aging. Please, if you have any questions, let us know in the comments, or you can directly reach out to us. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again very soon. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips. Thank you so much, and we'll see you again very soon.